In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send self-destructing emails in Gmail confidential mode. If you need to share sensitive information and want it to automatically expire, Gmail's built-in confidential mode makes it simple. There's no add-on to install. Everything is built right in. I'll walk you through composing the email, turning on confidential mode, choosing an expiration, and sending it securely. Start by signing in to your Gmail account on the web. Once you're in your inbox, glance to the top left. If the sidebar is hidden, click the 3 horizontal lines to reveal it. This opens the main navigation panel and makes the Compose button easy to reach. Click Compose to open a new message window. In the To field, type the email address of the person you want to reach. If you're sending to more than one person, add each address and double-check spelling to avoid misdelivery. Next, enter a clear subject line so your recipient understands what the message is about. Then write your message in the body. Keep in mind that with confidential mode on, recipients won't be able to forward, copy, print, or download the contents, so everything they need should be included right here. If you want to include an attachment, add it now. It will follow the same confidential restrictions. Now enable confidential mode. At the bottom of the Compose window, near the formatting toolbar, click the 3 dots labeled More Options. On smaller screens, this sits at the bottom right. From that menu, choose Toggle Confidential Mode. A settings panel will appear. Choose how long the email should stay accessible. For this example, select Expires in 1 day. This means your recipient can view the message for 24 hours from when it's sent. Confirm that the expiration shows Expires in 1 day, then click Save to apply the setting. You're ready to send. Click Send to deliver your confidential, self-destructing email. After the expiration time, the content won't be viewable anymore, and Gmail will display an expiration notice instead of the message. A couple of quick tips as you use this feature. You can choose other expiration periods if you need more or less time. You can also open the email in your sent folder later to adjust or remove access before it expires. Remember that while confidential mode restricts forwarding and downloading, someone could still capture a screenshot, so only share information with trusted recipients. When in doubt, test by sending one to yourself first. That's it. Now you know how to send self-destructing emails in Gmail using confidential mode.